Hazleton Casting Company is a jobbing foundry that specializes in the production of complex geometries in a wide range of metallurgies. The 3D printer, or the additive manufacturing element, really fits our market niche. We service a customer base that requires oftentimes parts in a very short time frame. One of the benefits is it allows us to warehouse our customers' design on a thumb drive or a hard drive rather than storing their design in the form of a fixed pattern made of wood or metal or plastic that's going to occupy space in a warehouse. The typical order cycle begins with our customer providing us with a 3D model of the part that they're looking to acquire. Once we have that workable model, we take that and we apply our engineering to that. That file then gets uploaded to the Viridis system and we press print and we have a mold in works. The Viridis RAM system operates with a robotic arm that makes a pass across the steel table. And while it's making that pass, it's depositing a layer of sand, which is then swiped level by a leveling fence. And then behind the leveling fence are the printer heads that deposit the chemical that activates the mold, that makes the mold hard and makes it resilient enough to be able to pour metal into. And then the sand that is not used to produce the actual mold will then be recycled back into our process for use for future production. We go through a cleaning process to remove any loose sand, and then we introduce it into our foundry for mold coating, closing, and then pouring. The design engineer also appreciates the Viridis system. Additive manufacturing allows us to produce casting geometries that were previously unavailable to the conventional foundry. We don't have as many constraints of geometry that we would have had in the standard foundry. Our customer reaction to the additive manufacturing product has been very positive. Our customers appreciate the ability to move from design to actual working part in a timely fashion. The quality level that we're able to provide through the Viridis process allows us to equal or improve the quality that we see in conventional foundry products. A casting produced today with the Viridis process 10 years from now will be of the same quality, the same geometry as the casting on day one.